Text Chemistry Review. Read this before you decide to buy. Welcome to my Text Chemistry Review by Amy North. All the information is based on my personal review of the product and collective feedback from other users. Please take note that the result may vary depending on the individual user. I hope this text chemistry review can help you decide whether this product can help you or not. You can use all the information here to get a clear idea of what to expect from this program. Secret text that makes men obsessed. A text message has become extremely common for men and women to communicate with each other when flirting. It's actually how deep love connection are made. Because text messaging is a convenient, fast and reliable way to stay in touch. But if you fail to manage how you texting with your partner, it could seriously damage your relationship. Frequent texting is not an assurance to develop a positive relationship. Well, it's true that texting is a quick way to communicate with your partner, but it's not so useful to share a deep thought and develop a deep connection without a proper execution. Text communication also easily misrepresented. This is because when we communicate, normally we rely a lot on non-verbal cues such as facial expression and body language. And this is not happening in texting. It could be a high possibility that your joke may come across as an insult or offensive to your partner. Especially at the early stage of the relationship. Most women find it challenging to make their men stay interested with them. This is when text chemistry will guide you. There are many effective ways to make your man commit to the relationship, and this program will teach you how to implement that. About text chemistry. The text chemistry program was written entirely by Amy North. It's created based on her experience learned about couples and how they communicate with each other in their relationship. It's an online program that teaches women on how to use a simple text message to make their man obsess over them. Amy North, she is professional relationship counselor and best-selling author from Vancouver, Canada. She specialized in helping women from around the world to find and keep the man from their dream. Amy North spent years researching the nature of relationship, and this program is her ultimate result. Text chemistry works like a magical text that make almost any man psychologically addicted to you. These text messages have been proven to work on even the most distant and cold man. They will start craving for you all day night long. Logically this does not make sense, right? Of course. I also have the same thought when I read about this program. Read on, I will try to explain to you how this program works. Basically, there's a few important keys that makes this program work. This program focus on capturing men full attention, so they constantly thinking about you, what are you doing, what are you thinking, and etc. It teaches you on how to use men psychological triggers, which is called attention hook, to help you grab men attention. This power attention hook will tap indirectly to your man focus and make him think about you. As a result, it will create excitement and a desperate feeling of love, care, and also an obsession for you. Text chemistry also highlight the science-proven step for love and attraction. You can learn how those simple words can change your man mind and focus. What will you learn from text chemistry? With this program, you will receive the main book and 13 videos. You also will receive 3 bonus ebooks from Amy at no extra cost. These include Phone Game ebook, Why Men Leave ebook, Quality Men on Tinder ebook. As you read through the text chemistry guidebook, you will learn the basics of how to train guys text to you back quickly and consistently. It's simple and easy to understand. You don't need to spend hours on the internet again to find a good solution. All you need to do is sit back, have a cup of coffee and send the messages. Here a short preview of what you'll learn from the program. 1. Do men ignore your messages? Learn how to use Amy North effective technique that will make your man text you back instantly and consistently. It can lower your chances to feel ignored or rejected again. 2. Glow text. Learn how to hardwire your guy's brain to love you and adore you no matter what hardship you will face by sending a text message. Once you send them these texts, his mind will always thinking about you and just you. 3. Get your ex back. Your ex said it's already over. But you still want him back. Use that satellite text that can make him regret the breakup. He will fight for a second chance to be with you. 4. Your relationship has become stale and boring. Learn how to fill his body with the kind of nervous excitement that he felt when he first saw you. There's a lot of practical advice to ignite love into a dying relationship. 5. Make him passionate about you. Learn how to fill his mind with the thoughts of you all the times. This guidebook share with you how to make your partner crave over your touch and hang on your every word. 6. Simple cheat sheet. Learn the ability to analyze his text messages and figure out your man's true feeling on what he really means. As per I said above, text messages can easily misrepresent it. This section will provide you a good advice on how to handle the problem. 7. Getting him to propose. This guide is about subliminal message that can make your partner crave to marriage, family and lifelong commitment. Take advantage to this section if you are trying to get your partner to propose as soon as possible. 8. Make him miss you. Learn how to improve your text messages to make him feel a burst of excitement and counting down the days until he get to see you again. You'll learn the best secret here. 9. Taking the right picture. We always send a picture to our partner, right? And this is not about how to send your naked picture to your partner. Here you can learn how to send a number of silly little image that can make him feel even more lust towards you. 10. Bang his head. As you go through this program, you will find out how to bang his head with the text that won't easily forget. And he'll start making up a silly excuse just to see you as soon as he can. 11. How to talk to him on the phone. Are you feeling awkward when talking to a guys over the phone? If yes, then you definitely won't miss this section. 12. Shooting for the stars. Learn how to make him focus to you and only you. He'll be blind to every other woman in his life. Because every moment he spend with you will be his happiest moment in his life. The man that you waiting for may be just around the corner. Don't let him escape. You can use this program to guide your man into a happy, committed relationship that you always dream of. Here is the table of content that you need to check out first. Pros and cons of the text chemistry. Let's go through the pros and cons of this program. The pros: increase your chance of finding love. This guide can drastically improve your chances to find your dream partner. It's easy to follow and straight to the point. All module and videos are super organized and clearly deliver the important messages. It's also cover most of the relationship, dating situation that you can relate with your own situation status. Apply their techniques to rejuvenate your love life and produce a real results. Remove insecurities. As you go through this program, you will learn a lot on how to speak to your man in a way that he'll listen to you, sit up and take notice. He will feel different around you, feel freer and more comfortable. For your side, you'll not seeming clingy or needy to him. You also stop feeling jealous, and your sudden lack of insecurities will make him want to spend more time with you. 60 days money back guarantee. Most of the program that I write a review will come with 60 days money back guarantee. It's give you the confidence to test the product. Whenever you feel like the product not worth your money, you just need to email them and ask for a refund, no question asked. The cons: this program is not for everyone. This is based on my personal opinion. Some of the module may not work with you. It's depend on what type of person are you. Some of you may dislike the method and not agree with the author. It's totally your call. If you dislike the method, just proceed with the other module. Overall, this is still a good relationship guide. It can be perceived as toying. Some of the method can be perceived as toying with men emotion. Which is you need to be extra careful. You can relate back to my first point above. So it's important to wield this knowledge carefully, because any positive effects that you get from this program may be undone if your partner feel like he has been played. Digital product. This program is for online purchase online. Without the access from the internet, you may not suitable to buy this product. If you don't have any issues with the internet, I highly recommend this product. Overall conclusion: this is really a good guide to getting a man, and it's something that every woman should have. Even if you just want to gain knowledge about the men, to be prepared for your future, With this program as your guide, you can light up the darkness that surrounds so many relationships. Don't allow yourself to continue to follow the same broken relationship patterns. Empty your glass, try to follow this guide, maybe it could change your life. Overall, you deserve a happy, long-lasting relationship. Follow this link for instant access to the text chemistry program.